हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल हरी द मरीनर यूट्यूब चैनल में दोस्तों आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में इन दिस टुडेज टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक regarding our alternator, how to measure the air gap inside the alternator. So first of all, I will just introduce you. This is our main alternator, you can see, and this is the exciter. Okay, you can measure the air gap in the exciter also or in the main alternator. Okay, so this is the, you can see here. This is the stator winding. I will just adjust my camera. So this is the rotor. This is the rotor of alternator. You can see this is the rotor of the alternator, and this is the stator of the alternator. You can see the air gap between the rotor and this is the stator. Okay. So how to measure the air gap? We have to use the feeler gauge to measure the air gap. So which feeler gauge we need to use? That is the plastic feeler gauge. But on board we don't have the plastic feeler gauge. So I am using to measure the air gap by using the, this is the Teflon gasket I cut, and you can use this feeler gauge. Okay, how much distance here? 2.1 or 2.2 mm. So you can measure the air gap from the stator and between the stator and between the rotor. Okay. So now I am going to measure the air gap. Should be this air gap. You can see how much it should be, 2 to 3 mm. Okay. So need more 1 mm. I will put more. So you see this is the 3 mm now. Okay. So I will put and measure air gap. You can see 3 mm, 2.3 or 4 mm from this point. So we have to measure the air gap at 4 point. Suppose this is the 9 o'clock, this is the 12 o'clock, this point is the 3 o'clock, and 6 is the bottom one. Okay. So I measure first 3 o'clock. I found 3 mm. Now measure the air gap between this point on top. Okay, 3 mm, 2.5 mm. Here also 2.5 mm. So same you can measure there also, and same you can measure bottom also. If air gap is 4 point equal, that is 2.5 mm or 2 mm, depends on the maker. So your rotor condition is good. Means the rotor is not unbalanced. Okay, and if the air gap between 4 point is not uniform, that not the same, it means your alternator rotor is unbalanced. So it is very dangerous. Maybe alternator rotor will damage or your generator will damage. Something happen bad with your alternator. So air gap measurement is very important while doing the alternator maintenance. Thank you very much.